Did you know that the global climate change is rapidly affecting our planet? So much so that the future of the nations, business, and economy depend on it. No wonder environment and sustainability are the hottest topics of today. But are we preparing our children to navigate the complex challenges of tomorrow? Are we training them enough to be the future leaders? Introducing Zero Waste Campus. This program is meant for schools. The students will learn all they need to know about the environment. It's a year-long activity-based program. Our holistic approach is designed to sharpen the young minds. What's more, the students will learn to manage their own waste. We engage the children through bite-sized learning and community initiatives. Okay, what's in it for the school? By imparting practical knowledge, the schools will gain better branding. Curated by Soil and Soul Foundation, our unique program delivers a fun-filled learning experience through awareness, teamwork, training, and coaching. With more than 10 years of experience, we have helped many schools, colleges, and universities across the globe in their waste management efforts. Let's teach our children things beyond the textbooks, the art of critical thinking and leadership skills. We need the next generation to take our country forward. Feel free to reach out to us on help@soilandsoul.info or visit our website www.soilandsoul.info. We'll be glad to customize the program for you. Thank you.